Mai ngā tōtara haimata ki ngā pautū maro kia koutou e ngā Mahuri Totara. Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa provides Indigenous education and training that opens the door to collective practices derived from Te Ao Māori. Mahuri Totara refers to the most vulnerable and critical development stage of a tōtara, the sapling. Te Waonui speaks to the ecosystem necessary to shelter and protect the growth stages and development of the tōtara and other forms of life cycles it coexists with. This is Mahuri Totara.
Mahuri Totara is based around Te Waonui o Tāne. With that saying, it's a space for rangatahi, but also now our Pākeke and our tamariki to embrace within different spaces of Te Waonui o Tāne.
Mahuri Totara, to me, is a space of learning and enjoyment.
My highlight was just probably the kai and engaging with all the whānau, getting to know new people, just embracing my Māori side.
It's like a place where you go to if things aren't like okay or like things seems weird at home or something. And so like Mahuri Totara is a journey that allows you a different like intake of your life.
Last night we done this circle thing that we all like clap, and there's like the hui te marama alignment, and like we all align together. And why we're hooked up like this is if anyone's seen Jonah from Tonga, is the takalua link, and nothing can break the takalua link. So yeah, nothing can break us, and the reason why we're facing outwards is because something I learned from Ruatoki in the Maurako thing is that we are protecting the thing inside the circle, and that right now is our aroha for each other. Kia ora.
Wait, I have to read my chart.
And I guarantee you, the more you dabble in this space, the more you come open enough to participate in this space, the easier it gets to take off the rope around your neck, that you can speak your own truth. So, cheer. Cheers, your tata.
To me, it's about learning about tikanga Māori with Māori in a safe space.
I liked being at the Wānanga and meeting new people, and I enjoyed being able to share what we had inside, being able to clip to the middle and watch it go.
Just learning more stuff about where I come from and learning more Māori words that I haven't learned yet. Learning about this big tree and how they make others.
The highlight was, for me, was going to different marae, learning on a marae about tikanga Māori, learning the different tikanga at each marae, and being able to move around New Zealand with people you enjoy.